Give me, I think this is Skittles, but I'm not sure. Okay, so man, this is Mac. This is Mac. Oh. Okay, this is Ollie. That's Ollie. This is Hootie. Hold on, Skittles. This is Snickers. Okay, how'd I do?
Oh, there's Skittles.
That's Hootie. Okay, here's one. Okay, this is the one that you said was Skittles before, so. That one's who?
Mac.
Mac. Okay, and then here's your last one.
That was the Ollie. This is Mac.
Okay. Does he have the collar?
Ollie.
That's
Ollie.
Hootie.
Hootie.
Hootie has the collar.
Wait. Is over there? Wait, this is Mac and that one's what's it?
That's Mac.
This is Mac and the other one was Hershey. Not Hershey, is it?
That was the one you thought was Mac.
This is Hershey's. What? That
You mean
one's
Snickers?
Snickers. Yeah.
Okay, so you have 2 left. Here they are. Which one is which?
This one's Skittles. No wait, no. This one's Skittles and that one is Hershey. Is it?
Hershey's gone.
Hershey's. I keep on forgetting.
You mean Ollie?
Ollie. Yeah.
Okay, take it out.